Welcome back. Today we are unboxing a machine that's so smooth, so powerful, it might just have changed the rules for what a GT should be.
We've got something special. A hybrid GT and the most powerful AMG ever made. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE Performance. A name so long, it probably needs its own postcode. Under the bonnet lives a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, because one turbo just isn't enough when you're German. They strapped an electric motor to it, giving it a total of 843 horsepower and 1,470 Newton-meters of torque. That's enough to rotate the planet slightly if you floor it. 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. Top speed, 316 kilometers an hour. Or in other words, good luck keeping your license. And the price, around 283,000 euros, which, to be fair, is a bargain if you think of it as buying both a luxury limo and a small nuclear reactor.
Some say he charges faster than his AMG. Others claim his heartbeat syncs perfectly with an F1 launch dive. All we know, he's called the Orange StiQ.
And we're off! Looking forward to test this one! Fucking go! That Aston Martin has got a nice butt, don't you think?
Yeah, and his farts, they sound good.
I think the tires will get a hard time with this 2.3 ton of weight during the hot lap.
Yeah, and you can say goodbye to your tires.
Does the extra weight from the battery change how you throw it into corners?
You can't ignore the 2.3 tons, but the chassis is well sorted and it masks it impressively. You have to be deliberate, but it never feels clumsy.
Well, the question is regenerative braking.
It's there, it works, but it lacks that raw mechanical confidence under your foot.
Perfect. Is this car at the chosen time for his rover? Where is he?
Lewis, just like this AMG, ruthless precision with a splash of theater.
How many times did you have to process that down in the parking lot?
None! You embrace it, and you leave behind very expensive tire smoke. You feel it getting more planted, especially in this making.
Damn, bro, what a show you have put up there. Let's get back to the studio and reveal the lap time.
Hybrid? Yes. Boring? Never. Let's not wait any longer. The lap time is 1 minute and 4.8 seconds. That's freaking fast. Let's see who can beat it. See you next time.